In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with GitLab. By the end, your ClickUp workspace will be connected to GitLab so your team can streamline development work and keep tasks and code changes in sync. Start by opening your browser and heading to the ClickUp website. From the homepage, choose Login and sign into your account as you normally would. If you have access to multiple workspaces, select the workspace where you want this integration to live. It's a good idea to confirm you have permission to install apps in that workspace. If you don't, ask a workspace admin to grant access or complete the setup for you. Inside your chosen workspace, navigate to the Apps section. Depending on your layout, you'll find apps in the sidebar or within workspace settings. This is the ClickUp directory where you can discover and manage integrations. In the Apps directory, use the search bar to type GitLab. This narrows the results so you can quickly locate the official GitLab integration. Click the GitLab result to open its details page, where you'll see what the integration does and the permissions it requests. Next, click Connect to begin the authorization flow. You may see a brief summary of what will be shared between ClickUp and GitLab. Review that, then click Next to proceed. ClickUp will redirect you to GitLab to authenticate and confirm access. On the GitLab sign-in screen, select the Google option to authenticate, as shown in this walkthrough. Make sure you sign in with the GitLab account that holds the projects you plan to connect. If your organization uses a different sign-in method, follow your standard login. But in our example, we're using Google for a smooth OAuth handshake. After you've successfully authenticated, you'll be routed back to ClickUp. Follow the on-screen prompt highlighted in the interface to finalize the link. This confirms the connection and applies the integration to your current workspace. To wrap up, look for the status indicator on the GitLab app card. When it reads connected, you're all set. At this point, GitLab is authorized, and your ClickUp workspace can begin leveraging the integration. If you don't see the apps option or the connect button, double-check your workspace role and permissions. If the authorization window doesn't appear, ensure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups or third-party cookies. And if your company uses a self-managed GitLab instance, confirm you have access and that your organization's settings allow this connection. That's it. Your ClickUp workspace is now connected to GitLab, laying the groundwork for tighter collaboration between tasks and code.